Hello everyone. So in this MCQ, you have to fill in these blanks that what options will be satisfying these blanks. So the question is dash is the entry point for the dash in a C program. And these are your 4 options. So I will run the timer and you can pause the video and you can find the answer. So I hope you have found the answer. So the correct answer for this question is option number C. So this question is asking something like that who is the entry point for the C program. So you know that in C program we have the int main function and then at last we have the return 0 statement. So when you compile this code, then you got some exe file. So for example, this program name is something like a.c. So if you convert this, then you will get a.exe after the compilation process. So in that exe file, you will be having that main function in form of some binary language, right? So this is your application. Now you know inside your computer, whatever applications are running, they are managed by which person? So all the applications inside your computer, they are managed by your operating system. So this a.exe is also an application. So what will happen? When you will double click a.exe or when you will run this a.exe, then operating system actually calls this main function, which will be written here inside this a.exe in form of some binary coding, right? So operating system will call this main function and then the body of the main function will be executed. So each instruction of the body of the main function will be read and it will be processed by your CPU, right? So you can say this operating system is actually the caller for this main function, and the declaration or the prototype of the main function is also stored inside this operating system only. That's why we can say that main function is the entry point for the operating system in your C program when your program is actually executing or running. So I hope you have understood the explanation. So if you like the video, please like and share this video. And if you have any query, please write down into the comment box. So now let's move to the next MCQ.